Download and install APK file in Android phone. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how you can download that Android APK file and how we can install it inside the Android application. So we are going to download IG Learner app inside our system, and then we will install it inside the Android application. So first of all, let's download that app from internet. So guys, we are here at Google, and on Google you can type download iglearner.apk and hit enter. You can come down to apk-s.com interpreters group learner, right? So from here you can directly download IG Learner APK file. So click here, and here it is. Here's the download link, download APK file. Click here. Prepare to be read. Click for faster, so click here and just wait for 10 seconds and it will download that IG Learner APK file directly. Click here, download com.interpretersgroup.learner, and here you can see that file has been downloaded. Great. Now you can click on file location, and here is the app. Copy it and click on C drive, click users, click ASDF, and here you can see app data. So if app data is not showing in your system, so you can simply click on view and tick on hidden items, because this is a hidden file. So now it will appear. Click app data, click local, Android, SDK, platform dash tools, and here you can paste it. So right click and paste here the APK file. Let me rename this file because the name is too long. So you can rename this file with iglearner.apk. So here's the file, which is around 279 KB file, and this APK file we need to install it inside our Android machine. So first of all, you can go back, come to the emulator, double click here. First of all, we need to start our Android machine. So to start the Android machine, you can open command prompt, and here you can type, first of all, come to this path. Here is the path. So you can come cd change directory to app data, capital D slash, this is the path, app data local Android. So you can type local. This is case sensitive, so you need to check capital and small, SDK slash emulator, and hit enter. So we are inside this drive. Now you know that we have Nexus available inside it, right? So we are going to use this one. So now you can type emulator space dash avd and space, you can copy this, the name of Nexus file, right, and you can paste here. So this is the complete query, and hit enter. So you can see that Android application is starting, right? So now we need to power on this Android machine. Here you can see it is starting inside our Android phone. So guys, here you can see that Android application has been started, right? And these all are the apps available inside it. We need to install that iglearner.apk file inside this Android application. So how we can do this? It's quite easy. Let me minimize everything. Don't close your command prompt, because if you close it, then it will automatically close. So now you can go back to the Android, click SDK. Inside platform dash tools, we have already pasted our iglearner.apk file. Here it is, which is around 279 KB file. Now let me open a new command prompt here, and let me come to this path, which is cd app data slash local slash android slash sdk slash platform-tools and hit enter. Now you can see here that inside your Android application there is no IG Learner app is available, right? Our work is to install it. So to install it, you can type here adb, which is right here, adb space install space the name of the app, which is iglearner.apk. So let me copy this name and here you can paste it, and now you can hit enter. So success, you can see that we got the success message here. This was our command, right? And here you can see that IG Learner app has been installed inside our Android application. You can see this is, click here inside the Learner app and you can click OK, and here you can see that IG Learner app has been successfully installed inside our Android application. So this is all about installation and download procedure of IG Learner app. In the next video, we will learn about Android pen testing. So thank you so much.